my channel Coding Madness. So last video we have done with the code Magic 8 Balls and now we are going to start with the new code Jankenpon. So what does Jankenpon mean? Jankenpon is just the name for the game Rock Paper Scissors in Japanese. So most of the people will know what is Jankenpon. Rock paper scissors. But people who don't know what's rock paper scissors, here's the explanation. Rock paper scissors is a game in which there are three elements: rock, paper, and scissors. So rock defeats scissors, but not paper. It will get defeated by paper, and paper defeats rock and will not be able to defeat scissors as scissor cuts paper, and scissors will not be able to hold or withstand rock but can easily cut through paper. So each and every element has a win and a loss. So now whoever wins will get a point and whoever loses will get a point, and who scores the highest points will win. So now we have started. Hashtag. Yeah, we have told what's hashtag, right? So hashtag means it's a code which does not do any function and is not shown in the output. Then we have imported from random. We have discovered what's import in the last video. Import just takes some information from a particular file. Here we have given random. It is going to import from random areas. So then we have created the variable choices. Rock, paper and scissors, like how we have created in our magic 8 balls. Choices, it is definitely, it is will, according to my sources, yes. Yeah, these are the choices in this game. And then we have another variable, user score is equal to 0 and computer score is equal to 0. So these both scores are 0 because the game is going to start with 0 minimum and less points, whatever. So then we have started while true. If all the conditions are good, then we'll start the code. Then we have a variable user input. So the user need to input this variable rock or paper or scissors, or if he types Q, then it should quit and it should be lower. Here we have given dot lower, that's why. So again we have started with the running code inside the computer. If user variable is quit, if user variable is quit Q, then it needs to break. If not in choices variable, then it needs to print invalid choice. So why did this thing come before this, after this? So the reason is that when if user is equals to Q break, and this Q is not in the choices. So if this thing comes first, then it will not accept the Q. It will not accept the Q, and when you type Q, it will choose it as invalid choice. So first only we have started that if Q, then it needs to break. If not in choices, then invalid choice. And then it needs to continue. So next. Computer is equals to random dot choices. So now computer random dot choice. So like how we have used that variable in our last code magic 8 balls, we have used random choice and then it prints the output. So here we have the comp p. So this is the variable for random dot choices. So last video we have given random dot choices. In this video also random dot choice and choices variable. So here we have given the variable in different manner. So then we have the print function computer chose. So the computer chooses random. We choose the score, then the computer chooses randomly, and then the actual real the win or lose it will automatically tell, because we don't want the user to think more. So then we have If user is equals to if user variable is equals to computer variable, then it needs to type. Because when paper and paper, for example, they can't cut each other, they can't defeat each other. So then we have given for that the variable type. And next, if user is equals to rock and computer is equals to scissor. If user has rock now and the computer has scissors, the user variable should defeat the computer. Then the paper and the rock. The paper wins over rock. The scissor and the paper. The scissor wins over paper. So then it needs to print you win. And user score should add up to 1. So we have plus is equals to 1. Then else print you lose. We need not need to type the whole thing. If user is equals to scissors and computer is equals to rock, no need. It automatically will identify you lose. If it will be definitely you lose because he didn't type Q, it is not an invalid choice. It is not a tie, and the user didn't win. So then it should print you lose. That's the logic. And then computer score should add up to 1. So we have given plus is equals to 1. Then we have again the print function core and we have the arrow mark Q. Then it's gonna automatically tell our score. Maybe we forget our score and we can't wait until the final score. So here only after you win or lose in the first time, again it will print. Again it will work. And then user score it will print and computer score it will print. So next when the user leaves, here from Q it continues here. Then print final score. It will print the final score from here to here connects. It prints the final score and user score and computer score and it says goodbye even. So that's our code. Let's run. Okay. So here it has shown while true. So it is true, the conditions all accept and then the input works. Enter rock, paper, scissors or type Q to quit. The same thing. And then now I'm going to type rock. Oh, it's a tie. The computer also chose rock. So it's a tie. See, here the user is equal to the computer. This function now works. Now I'll type, oh no. Okay, the computer chose scissors and I chose paper, so I lost. Oh. Okay, then now I'll type scissors. Oh, it's again a tie. Hmm, let's go finally. So now the computer chose rock and we chose paper. So paper wins over rock and I won. So both is tied and my score, the computer score, it's exactly the same. Now I'm putting it. It prints the final score. See here, final score, mine 1 point and the computer 1 point. So it's a tie. Goodbye. It's a wonderful code, right? So thank you all for watching my video, and we are going to start with a code soon working in the turtle demo. So that one is harder but a very fun game to watch. So to know what game is that, please like and subscribe because that video is gonna launch anytime. And you need to be ready for that video. So my suggestion is please like and subscribe my channel. And it is me, the Coding Madness user, signing off.